this salad. Oh, this salad is getting the star treatment. Topped with toasted walnuts, tender steak strips, and bursting with a blueberry dressing. It's the best thing to add to your summer salad repertoire. Elliott Sulkis joins me in the kitchen to share his recipe. Welcome to Studio 5, Elliott.
Thank you so much for having me.
Great to have you. I was kind of grilling you during the commercial break, no pun intended, but you're not a trained chef. You say YouTube University.
That's right, yeah.
But you really take joy in creating good food and sharing it.
Yes, absolutely.
The goal was to feed your wife.
Yep, and my kids.
And your kids.
Yep.
Keep the family alive in a tasty way.
That's
the
right.
benefit for the rest of us, though, is we get to learn alongside you as you share these gorgeous recipes. So what's to love about this gorgeous salad?
First of all, the salad is simple, which is like my bread and butter. The dressing, the goat cheese, the blueberry steak, everything just plays so well together, and they're all just best friends.
I think when you can describe an ingredient list and my mouth is already watering, that's when you know you're onto something. So we're starting with the blueberry vinaigrette.
That's right, yep. So first things first, we want to bust down these blueberries.
And
so
blueberries are
you can smash them however you want.
such a star.
Yes, always. And they're in season, so they're fresh.
Right. Well, and the flavor pop they bring to any recipe. I mean, you immediately say blueberry vinaigrette, and you know that you're going to get a party.
Exactly.
This is therapy.
It is.
Little kitchen
You want
therapy.
some?
Sure. I'll never say no. When do you get to
There
do
we
this?
go.
When
Harder.
do you get to do this? Come on.
In the kitchen.
Yeah, right. There you go.
Perfect.
Thanks. Thank you for that.
All right. Now we can get them in here.
Okay.
So this dressing is so easy because you literally just dump everything in here.
Beautiful.
Yep.
So we've got the blueberries, then what?
Yep. So this is champagne vinegar.
Okay.
Yes. This is a lighter acid, so it's not as like pungy and pungent. It's a little bit more fruity and floral.
Okay.
That's olive oil, extra virgin.
Olive.
Yep.
Apple cider? Honey.
That is honey.
Honey.
Yes. 3 tablespoons honey.
It started to slide, and I saw.
I can scoop some of that for you if you want.
There you go. I'll let you get that. You have the spoon. And this can probably sit in your fridge up to a couple weeks.
Yeah, I'd say at least a week.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you let it sit overnight, it gets even better. Too.
Lemon?
Yep.
All right,
Lemon
lemon
juice.
juice. Look at that.
Perfect. This is the fun part.
Oh, I'm gonna let you do that. Professional at work.
Are you ready? This is gonna look beautiful.
Is it gonna spray?
No.
Okay, go. Oh, come on.
Yeah, right?
That's like therapy too. It's like mesmerizing.
Yep.
Beaut. What a beaut.
Perfect.
Love it. Okay. And then just shake before serving and you're good to go?
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
Okay. All right, let's get to the actual makings of the salad. The
Sweet.
meat, what did you do with the protein?
So for the steak, we just pan-seared it. Nothing fancy, just salt on both sides.
Okay.
Medium-high heat, flip after like 5 minutes on each side.
Nice, did it right. And you're cutting in strips, right?
Yes, exactly, yep.
So that can just be placed atop the salad so everyone gets a good bite, a good protein bite.
That's right.
Beautiful, look at that. All right, what else is going into this salad?
So we have some toasted walnuts, some crumbled goat cheese, and of course, fresh blueberries.
on top.
That's right.
And assembled, that's good, but you could also do a kind of a build your own, right?
Absolutely. Yeah, that's the best part of salads. You can make them however you want.
Okay, all right. What other summer recipes have you enjoyed cooking and sharing this season?
I love anything on the grill.
Yeah.
Yeah. Chicken thighs, burgers, steaks.
And do you have
whatever it
picky
is.
eaters at home, or are they pretty good to serve up whatever dad
So
puts in front
they're
of them?
young, so they'll kind of just eat whatever we give them.
So you give them
for
a side
now.
of blueberries,
Yeah.
a side of meat.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, they love blueberries.
break
All
it up.
kids love blueberries,
Yeah.
I feel like.
Well, it looks beautiful. It comes together so quickly. Like
Yep.
you said, simple is your jam.
That's right.
And we get to benefit from that simplicity today.
Yep.
Thank you so much, Elliott. Where can
Thank
we
you.
get more recipes from you?
Yeah, Elliott's Kitchen on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.
And I appreciate the nudge to put something other than chicken in a salad,
That's
right?
right. That's right.
Bring on the steak. Thank you so much.
Thank
well
you.
done. We'll link you over to his website and also share today's recipe on our recipe page at studio5.ksl.com.